We're here at Tom's Watch Bar in Orlando, Florida on International Drive. The place is all the way at the top of that parking garage. Icon Park is over there. The main entrance is through this elevator lobby. We got one right here. It's about to close. Let's go to the roof, which is the 10th floor. There at 10, we're just gonna get a quick view. Very nice view from up here. There's the bar. Let's go back down. We got the other elevator this time. Let's do a cab view while we're up here. Here's your inspection certificate. KSS 140 fixtures. We're already going down. So yeah, pretty nice place. I don't know if there's any elevators elsewhere in the garage, but I'm about to go find out. That'll be it.